Welcome to Walrus Opens, and today we have the Texas Chainsaw Massacre set from Second Sight Films. Let's hear that. There we go. And this, no tape. Here's the back information. And the box set. Oh my god, it is so great. Hardcover book. Here's the digi pack. The discs, 3 of them. Well, let's just turn them. The 4K, disc 2 and disc 1, 2 Blu-rays and 1 4K. Here's the... This is awesome. And then the big art cards. Leatherface. Nothing on the back. Poster out of this. I would actually want an eye on my wall. And then hardcover book. My god. Look at this, just open it like this. A couple of times. I'm sorry, this might take a few seconds. I don't want to harm the book. Thick pages. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Content. I'm not gonna actually go through all of this, so just a little bit of... Well, when we get to the 200 subscribers, I may just go through all of these books and read them out loud. What do you think? Leave a comment. Yeah. I kind of love these hardcover books in movie releases or even anime releases. So, I love this. Thumbs up.